Alrighty, lovely students. I've realized one thing over the last week. I'm sure you have as well. I keep uploading documents in different formats. There's a Word doc just there, that .x. The document there is a PDF just over there where it says example.pdf. And then I've also uploaded your for and against federation things in a Scribe document, which is a whole new platform for online document viewing. From now on, I will always upload it in a PDF format. And yes, of course, when you click download PDF, it comes up on your screen. And most PDFs will do that absolutely fine. But what I want to do is show you the wonders and the wonderfulness of Explain Everything. Once you've downloaded it, what I'd love you to do from there is this top area here, square and arrow, is your chance to export. So I'd love you to change where you view it and export it to the app Copy to Explain EDU. Once you're in the app, it will give you the slides that you've downloaded. So if it's a PDF with 10 pages, for example, it actually enables you to download all 10 pages onto different windows, and you can select or deselect them based on that. Once you click the bottom insert, it'll come up with those pages as the background, and more pages will come up just down here if you want to check on them. Now you've got this as a background, you can actually manipulate this background and change things in it. For example, we can zoom in on the background and just zoom in on this question. So let's zoom in on the question number 1 that I asked you. Describe this transformation. Well, I can see there that transforming was in a rotation. It's actually a rotation at the point, what have we got here? At the point 3,5. So I'm going to write that in. Rotation, 90 degrees, anti-clockwise at the point 3,5, yep, 3,5. I'll put it in brackets, just like you would do with coordinates. 3,5. Alrighty, and because I've got that just there, I can now change how it looks, make sure it's in the white area. Okay, unfortunately now, if you zoom out, the background will not move with the font. So here's a handy tip, and every time you do something, try and remember to do this, otherwise it won't go easy. You're going to click this button just here on the right, the eye inside a box, and the eye is actually able to lock things, arrange things, and move things around. For example, if I wanted to click on the background and say, look, that's going to be at the front, I'm actually going to bring it to the front, and now we can't see the text, but that's not what we want the text there. So we're actually going to put it on the edited tab, and click on 2 things. Once you click on at least 2 things, it'll give you the option to group them. Now, a group means that now when you move things, they will move together. Absolutely spot on. All right, so now you've got that on the document. Let's do this one just here. And it says here, view the translation of the shape by 3 squares to the right. Okay, so 3 squares to the right, and I'm just going to make a nice big square. In fact, I'll draw a line. So I can do that there, and I can actually make it in the shape area, change it to line. So 3 squares is going to be 1, 2, 3. So now it should, so we go 1, 2, 3. Now it should be starting there. So I'm going to draw my lines in. Very good indeed. So there's one line. It's going to be tricky, but I'm sure you'll be able to manipulate them as we go. There's a line just there. So keep the lines flowing. 2. It's not as easy as you think, I'm sure, but overall, we'll get the finished project nice and easy. 3. Keep tipping on lines as we go. 4. 5. 6. And then the final line there. 7. Oh, that was not good. So I can click this undo button just here at the bottom, and it'll undo. So I can just move that one just a little bit, and I'll push this one just across here and move it a little bit as well. So hopefully if I can move it. Oh, now I'm making it fatter. Let's go for that. So if you want to select something, you're really able to do that via this app as well. So now you can click on that and make sure you've just selected that one to move it. It's tricky when you've got small lines like that. And maybe I don't like the position of this one, so I'll click on it, get that to the hand, and I can actually just move that one as much as I can in. Great. All right, final thing to do, of course, if we move the background, it won't move with it. So we'll go back and undo that. all I'm going to do now is with this app, the eye and the inspector button, I'm actually going to highlight this, the background, make sure the background's ticked, and then I'm just going to drag across the shape I've just made. So all of it's selected, okay? I've dragged across the shape, and I'm going to click something else as well. So making sure that you've dragged across the shape, I'm going to group all that together, and then hopefully it will move with it. If you do not click two shapes, it won't group together, but now I've grouped them, I can go for it. Excellent. Alrighty, so hopefully that makes perfect sense. If you're not sure, by all means, have a look and see if you can have a play around with Explain EDU. But again, once you've got your perfect document ready, you can actually click this top button here, the square with the arrow in it again, and export it. You can export as a video if you ever wanted to record anything and record your voice doing things. You can record it as a document, which is my preferred method, so I can download it. Or you can record it as an image. Either three will work on Seesaw. Project won't, so make sure it's either an image, a document, or a video. I'm going to go document, and then I will just do it to my Seesaw app. So I'll do Seesaw just there. And I haven't signed into Seesaw, so it'll say you need to sign in. But I won't sign in because I'm sure you know from there what you need to do. Alrighty, thanks for having a look. And if you're not sure, always ask, especially on this video and down below. But I just wanted to show you how Explain EDU works, and hopefully you can use it next time you download a doc. Good luck, you guys. Thank you.